It's Lemonade Day.
I see some people standing in that parking lot. Maybe we can get them.
It's great to see the kids out here and raising money for the Boys and Girls Club.
They're trying to teach them entrepreneurship, not only from the idea and concept, but really what does that mean? So you're going to be the marketing person, you're going to be the operations person, and so really giving them the hands-on experience.
It's always nice when you can incorporate work and play, I suppose, ultimately.
Send one of the kids back for lemonade.
Having people come out from the building, working,
Thank you.
interacting with the kids.
I think we played some games together a couple years ago.
The health and wellness people, them recognizing them and stuff is great to see too.
We're very thankful for the partnership with Group Health, just not only for this lemonade stand, but year-round they've been a great partner. That really gives the kids a local employer, a name they can feel affinity towards when they see and recognize throughout all the great community support that you folks do.
They have lots of energy.
Energy.
If I could only have a quarter of their energy.
They're really trying hard, and when they get somebody over here, they're very excited. I think it gives them a sense of pride and that they're doing something good for their club too.
This is a great place to live, reside, and thrive in the Chippewa Valley, and that's only possible through partnerships like Group Health and the Boys and Girls Club coming together to give youth those chances.
No way this can't be a success, right?
Right, no way, no way.